Hello everyone, welcome to the Kailash Institute of Technical Studies by Kailash Technology Private Limited. Myself is Arvind Panchal. I am the CEO and founder for the Kailash Technology Private Limited. Since last 15 years, I'm working as an IT professional and a trainer. So today we are going to learn about the routers. Our core topic is today the routers. What is router? And why we need a routers. There is a various topic we will cover in the this video. What is a router, types of routers, where is the router used, why do we need a router, how does a router look like, how does a router work, and who are the major vendors who make the routers. So let's begin. So what is a router? A router is a networking device which is used to connect multiple networks together to establish connection between different networks. Also it forward data from one network to another networks. So like in a real-time scenario, we need a router to connect with the multiple different networks. It can be used for the enterprise companies, data centers, and for the ISPs. Day to day we know that how our internet service providers for the mobile phone network operators, they are using the routers to connect their networks from one location to another location through over the fiber and other various way. Types of routers. There is multiple types of the routers, like could be the home uses with the wireless uses, wireless routers, enterprise routers, and core routers. Home routers basically we use just for connect to internet services to our home. Wireless router we use it's to connect, the wireless router will have built-in Wi-Fi in it. Enterprise routers, it is mostly used in the enterprise companies and the big organization which are having multiple connections to and multiple branches to connect to their head office and other scenarios. And core routers, as of now, core routers is mostly used in the data centers and also the ISPs, internet service providers, and our mobile phone network operators like Airtel, Jio, and other various. They are using this kind of the routers. Where is the router used? Mostly, as I explained it, it's like for your home, office, data centers, and the any place where we wanted to have internet connectivity. Of course, it is used there. Why do we need a router? Yes, this is the great question. Why do we need a routers? To connect to the internet, to connect to the real-time uh, life, real-time connectivity to the internet. Yes, we do need a router. How does a router look like? Yes, you can see here various pictures. I have put it here to see the routers. If you see the first pictures, it is like a small wireless routers for the home use. This is the back side of that router. You can see this is the lane port, event ports are showing here. So how is it connected? And also there are so many now 5G routers are available which has built-in Wi-Fi. This is also as a good example of the wireless network. And the other left side you will see these are the core routers which and the enterprise routers. You can see mostly you will see these routers within your data centers, ISPs location, and the enterprise companies, those who are using these routers. How does a router work? Yes, here we would like to tell you like how exactly the router is working. So suppose if we want to connect to the internet, so first of all we will connect our internet line cable to our computer or any of the end device. Then the device will like try to communicate with the router to go through the internet or go to the Google, etc. So the router initially it will receive the traffic or the data packet from our computer or end device. Then it would forward to the its next hop. It could be the modem, it could be the ISP, and multiple ways. Like suppose if you take an example, it's like a pro for our mobile. From our mobile we connect to our SIM cards to get internet, or if we are connected to the Wi-Fi, it will connect to the Wi-Fi router, then it will go to the internet. Then again it might connect to the any other routers. The ISP also will have their routers to connect to further servers located in any area where we are searching. So this is way how we are how the router work. The major vendors like the mostly which are the corporate and big router develop producer, the manufacturer, the Cisco, Juniper, MikroTik, Huawei, Ubiquiti, Link, TP-Link, Linksys, and various. There is various and various. So thanks for watching this video, and yes, this was the brief information about the router, how router works, and have a good day.